So this is what the user sees once they first go onto the website. And now the front end is run entirely as a website. So this is built using React.js and a couple of other modules. So this is the main screen. As you can see, we have a cart on the right, we have a service charge, and we have a little indicator telling us that we have to be logged in order to order. Now let's just scroll through the menu. We have a couple of tacos, some burritos, a couple of drinks, and all of these little sliders work very nicely. As you can see, actually, one of our fries supreme is out of stock. So that's one of the features. Now let's try and make an order. Let's say that I would actually like some soft tacos, and I also want a soft taco supreme. As you can see, they actually come up where the item is. We have a little green effect and the number that we want. Let's actually say that I don't want the soft taco supreme anymore. Let's get rid of that. That updates the menu. Okay, it says that I must be logged in. So let me log in. I actually have my account already, but if I didn't, I could create one very easily using this page. So let me log in with my account. Let me go ahead and then pay for this. Let's say I want this at order at table 5. Now give a service fee of £2. There we go. My order is now here. That was the ordering process. Let's have a look at a couple of more options. So I've showed you the register and login and also the menu. But let me show you the orders page. Now this page shows the user how many orders they've done already. Now, as you can see, bottom here, on table 5, I have an order that is still in progress. This is in progress in the kitchen. So let me go back to the menu and place another order. This time I want a beefy nacho gorilla. That's good enough. Let's press pay. On the right side, as you saw, that is updating in real time. That is the same website. We're running a WebSocket connection from the server onto the front end. And this is the staff table where they can see the new orders coming in. Now, if on the orders page here, I have a look, and I can see there that this beefy nacho griller, 2 of them, is still in progress. If I go ahead and press complete on the kitchen side, that marks as complete on the client side. Another feature is that the user can call a waiter to their table. So let's say that I'm at table 5 and the food was cold. Let's go ahead and make this notification. As you can see, that is in real time. I can click that as many times as I want. And as soon as the waiter is done with this, they can simply press complete. And there we go. Another really nice feature that we implemented is a manager console. Now this is the manager menu editor admin console. The manager can do anything from here, from changing when an item is in stock, to adding a new item, to changing the price. So let me say that the soft taco supreme, let's change it so that this is actually more expensive now, so that it is £5 instead. And if I save the changes, which takes just a second because it is on a remote database, let's have a look. If I just refresh the page, the soft taco supreme is now £5. There are also a lot of other nice features where you can actually create a new item. So if I go over here, I add an item, test item, item description. Let's add it to the tacos category. Let's say it's £3. Takes 5 minutes to prepare. Okay. If I just refresh the page, here we can see we have a test item. Now this is actually got a nice effect where it shows the user that it is a new item. There's no image for it because I didn't select one. Yep, here it is. We can do a lot of nice stuff on this admin console, from changing the menu types, and these are the tacos, the burritos, the drink, the sections that you actually see in the front end up here, to creating new ones. We can create new ones. So if I go ahead and add a item, let's say this is a demo for item, press OK. And now what I'm also going to do is just give it a second to write that to the database. What I'm going to do is I'm going to change this tango so that it is no longer in drinks, but it is in this demo. So if I save the changes now, they have been updated. If I just refresh the menu and I have a look at the bottom, as you can see, another button has come up. This is a demo. It doesn't have an image. And here we go, a tango. What we can also do is we can add items, we can add ingredients to each one of these. So if I have an inventory here, as you can see we have flour, and that is actually used in the fries supreme. If I had another inventory item, let's say water, we have 5 of that. That is now actually writing the amount to the database. There we go. And if I go over to the menu editor, and I could say that the Pepsi Max requires water. Let's change inventory components. I could add the water, press OK, and that it needs exactly 1 water. But let's say that we've run out of stock for the water. We have exactly 0 of it. Okay, let's save changes. They've in the database. What happens to the Pepsi Max now? Well, let's have a look at the drinks. As you can see, it is out of stock on the front end. This is a nice feature that allows the managers to change the ingredients, and as the ingredients change, the menu also changes. This is because you might run out of stock for a certain item and you don't want to tell the customer or allow the customer to even order that said item. Apart from that, we can add some accounts and we can manage everyone's accounts from here. These can be admin accounts or the customer's accounts. We can see who's logged into our system and everything in between. There's a small configuration page with some nice statistics on the bottom left.